vlogging today. I'm actually out of my house for the first time in the vlogs. I do not leave my house, so this is a first. I've been getting some comments that are like, we love your vlogs, but can you show Charlotte more? And I'm like, no, because I don't leave my house. But now I did, so I'm making a whole vlog out of it. I'm really excited. We actually just got massages. I am with Keon. It's his last day here, which is really sad. So I'm like, we gotta go out, we gotta do stuff. And we just got massages at Massage Envy. It was so nice. He was kind of like a physical therapist that does massages, so it was really intense and it really did stretch my muscles and really worked my muscles. So I honestly might be sore tomorrow, but it was so nice and it was just much needed because I haven't had a massage in honestly like over a year. It's been so long, so that was really nice. And Keon got one as well.
Deep tissue for sure.
Very deep tissue. So we are actually in the Myers Park area. I kind of want to talk about like where we go today, just because if you guys are from Charlotte or you guys are coming here or you guys are moving here, this could be really helpful. So we just got that at 10 a.m. and right now it's 11 and we're gonna get Yafo for lunch, but I am starving, so I want to get something small and maybe get lunch around like 1. You think that works? So Keon and I are going to split half a bagel. We're going to Poppy's Bagels, which has amazing reviews, and gonna get like a breakfast and then get a big lunch at Yafo, because Yafo is like one of my favorite restaurants in Charlotte. So let's go with my mask and we are ready to go. All right, let's go. Alright guys, I am at Vestique. I'm actually doing a not sponsored because it's not paid, but I am doing an Instagram post with them and they invited me to pick out a few pieces, and Vestique is one of my absolute favorite stores, especially for like southern boutiques. It definitely doesn't look like a southern boutique. Those I'm not really a fan of. It's really cute. They have it like all over north, south, Georgia, you know, like all of those places, but it's definitely a southern place, but they do have online shopping. So I'm gonna go and pick out a few pieces. Keon is here with me, and then I think we're gonna go and actually look at houses. So we're not looking at houses together or anything like that, but we are just, I'm curious to see kind of what something in my price range can get me here, even though I am looking for something that I can remodel and something that I can kind of just like flip completely. So something I can get really cheap and then flip it and make it nice. But most of these houses we're gonna look at are already kind of nice and they've already been flipped by someone. So I'm just kind of curious, and Keon's curious of what I guess is more in our price range, or in both of our price ranges. And so we're gonna look at houses too, so I'm excited to show you guys that. But yeah, I'm here at Vestique. I'm close to Uptown. I'm on like the East Boulevard one because it's a little bigger, and I can't wait to show you guys what I get. They were so nice. They let me pick out a few items and they were really, really sweet. So now I'm actually gonna go to this furniture store. Keon and I love looking at furniture stores. Like, we're just always going into them. He really likes interior design way more than I do. So there's this one right next to Vestique called, what is it? Mary Tobias Miller Interior Design. And then it's called Abode Home. So we're gonna go in here. It's in South End, really cute. And check it out. We're going to a plant shop. Keon loves plants and he's kind of gotten me into them. Oh, so cute! waiting to get coffee. Just got a latte, and hopefully this vlog is showing you guys how Charlotte is actually really cool and really fun. It has a lot of cool spots, so I'm hoping to do more of these videos eventually. But after this, we're gonna go see houses and just show you like the style and what you can get for the price. But yeah, this is one of those like coffee shops. There's a ton of like eclectic little stores around here, and yeah, this is kind of why I really love Charlotte. So we just went to see a house. I'll show you guys the outside. There she is. This is in a pretty good area in the sense of like it's near uptown, so that's nice, but it's also right next to like an industrial part. Like the backyard faces this industrial building, which I don't think is that nice, and the street is kind of off of a main road, which I don't think is the best either. But the house is worth $275. And personally, Keon and I, which we're not looking for ourselves, this is totally like an investment property, but we both were like, there's not that much we liked about it. I don't think that I would be coming back to see this house, but I just think it's good to keep in mind like what prices go for, like what houses go for here. So this house is, how many square feet does it say it is? It's a 2-bed, 1-bath, backyard, which was pretty big, just a little uncared for, and it had this like random thing in the middle. I didn't really know what it was.
Oh, it says it's either a huge fenced backyard stone fire pit, also a fish pond. Oh,
it's a fish pond. Okay. Yeah, it was drained out.
I don't see square foot.
I don't know. I would probably say it's like 1,000 square feet. A little over 1,000 square feet. I don't know. We both did not love it, but we're gonna go see another one and just see what things go for. The other one is cheaper. It's $205, but it's a duplex and it's a little further from the city. Right now, we are literally like 5 minutes away from the city, so that's why the area is nicer. Like you're paying more for like where you are, but I don't like the exact area in the sense of it's very industrial here. On to the next. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, guys, this is the other house we're going to. This one is $205, so much cheaper, but if you guys can see, it's like a little community. They all look exactly the same, so that is the difference. But this neighborhood is really cute. We'll drive around this neighborhood next just to show you, because there's like really nice houses down the street, and this is like such a cute little area. But I don't like how they literally all look the same. It's like a little, they're literally called the cottages. So let's check it out. It was really cute, but you can't rent it out, so that's the downside. I would not buy something for myself to live in. I would buy to rent and to have it as an investment. So that downside is you can't rent it out. It's a condo. It's not even like a house on its own, so this is just not what I'm looking for. But now we're gonna drive around these really pretty houses and just daydream. Okay.
Your vlog left?
It's still recording.
Oh.
No? Okay. eating Yafo for a very late lunch. It's 4 o'clock. This is literally so good. It's better than Cava, you guys. If you're in Charlotte, you need to go to Yafo. It is so good. Alright guys, I am about to end the vlog here. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. And I also wanted to say that honestly, that yesterday was so much fun. It was one of the best days I've had in a really long time. And it was really nice just kind of exploring the city, not only with Keon, but just getting out of my house and doing what we can do, because I do think that during this pandemic, obviously I'm not encouraging to just travel freely and like not care about other people around you or anything like that. That's not what I'm encouraging, but I do hope that even if you are stuck in your home, that you can kind of make the best of it, explore your hometown, especially if you are living back at home with your parents. Spend a day doing some stuff that you can do, like grab a cup of coffee, go buy some plants, like go to an antique furniture shop, obviously be safe, but you know, do things and explore, and don't feel like your hometown is like super boring or you can't do anything, because I really do believe that all cities probably have these cool little hidden gems. I just had a lot of fun exploring them with Keon, and I also just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I know that you guys want to see more Charlotte content, so I will be trying to give that to you. I'm going to keep you updated on all the housing stuff. Nothing is like set in stone. I haven't really made progress. I'm just kind of exploring right now, but before I move back to New York, my main goal is to have a rental property here and to buy property. So that's definitely what I'm looking for while I'm here. It definitely will be an investment property. I don't know where, I don't know what it's gonna look like, and I realize that I'm not shopping like for myself, I'm shopping for an investment, but you know, I'm taking you guys on the journey with me. It's really interesting seeing kind of prices like compared obviously to different cities that I've been in, seeing what things go for, and I'd love to know what your thoughts are on that, or like if you thought it was cheap, if you thought it was expensive. I personally think Charlotte is getting very expensive in general. It's very hard to find like a good investment property because everything's kind of already an investment property for other people, and it's just getting really, really expensive. So yeah, it's gonna be a challenge, but I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with me. And no, Keon and I are not moving in together. That's not what's gonna happen. I just was looking with him on my own. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'd love to know your thoughts. I'd love to know what you guys did this weekend, if you go, whenever you guys are watching it, or what city you guys live in, if you guys are from Charlotte, if you're not. It was really fun kind of exploring with you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. There's you being edited right now, Gossip Girl playing in the background because that's all I've been watching, so sorry about that, but all right, time to edit this and upload.